name's Anastasia, and this is my version of what cats really think about. And if this video makes you smile, makes you smile, then please give it a thumbs up, and I will really appreciate it. It will give me more encouragement to make more videos for everyone. Thank you! I love being petted. You know exactly where, human. Right there, yeah. Getting annoying, human. You guys stop petting me in the same spot. Whoa! What was that? Oh, okay. It was just you. Just you. Okay, I can go back to bed now. Yeah, good night. I love you, human.
Lisa, what's wrong? Is it raining outside? It's raining!
This is my cat house. Oh, nope, not even you. I'm gonna sit here and guard my cat house. I'm kinda hungry. Do I smell chicken? Is that chicken? Nope, that's not chicken. Come on, just throw the cat treat. I know you can do it. Just throw it. Yeah, she threw it. Yeah. Hello, human. What do you want? What do you want? No, don't touch me. I'm busy. No, don't touch me. Stop it. Stop following me, human. Human, that's a rat. That's a rat. Are you insane? Are you insane? Oh, screw this. Lily. I tell you, human, the enemy is near. I love you, human. Yeah, I love you. Human, don't you dare touch my cat house. No, my cat house. I said don't touch it. It's my cat house. My cat house. I love my cat house. Yeah. Help me out here, human. My nose is so itchy. So goddamn itchy. Wait, what's that? Birds. I love birds. Food. I love food. Chicken. Bye. You stupid human. You never understand me.